Maybe it needs a little bit more roasting. Okay, Joy, cooking together.
What veggies did you want?
You want to peel it? Put it in our garbage bowl. Yay! Whoa! Hmm. This one like this. Wow! Wow! Joy, watch your fingers. That's not how we do it. Under the knife, though. That's a no-no. Okay, keep your hand on top of the knife. That's right. Hand on top. Hand on top. Otherwise, we're gonna have a whoa, whoa, wowie, wowie. Instead of a whoa, okay?
Wowie.
Do you want to try it by yourself?
No.
No? On top?
Mushrooms? Whoa! Whoa!
Instead of grabbing it with your fingers, try doing it with your palm like this.
Chop. Chop.
Chop.
Chop. Whoa! 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 That was really
And this
hard.
one is
Whoa! That was really hard. Whoa! Whoa!
finger. Oh, Joy. Need help with the garlic?
Can you put salt?
Heat up the oven. To 350.
I put it in here.
And we did it. Here we go. Wow. 1 hour later. Whew! Steamy. It's hot. The veggie roast is cooked.